Hello and welcome to Everbee Gardening.
Are you looking for the ideal rose for your garden? If your answer is yes, but where do I start? You can start by watching the Everbee Gardening Roses of the Year Lookbook. According to the experts at Kew Gardens, there are over 300 officially accepted varieties of roses. So if you're looking for the ideal rose for your growing space, where do you begin? Well, you can find inspiration here in this video, which features every Rose of the Year winner since 1982. The Rose of the Year award was introduced in 1982 and is awarded by the British Association of Rose Breeders and the British group of the Horticultural Trades Association, with the aim of discovering the best rose plants in any given year. Rose breeders are invited via Roses UK to enter what they consider to be the best of their new rose varieties for consideration for the Rose of the Year competition. The plant entries are subjected to a 2-year-long trial which is conducted throughout the UK to take into account the various local climates, soil conditions and general growing environments. After 2 years, the plants are judged with the most worthy variety selected as the Rose of the Year. I now invite you to grab a pen, some paper and a cuppa and watch this video. If you would like to find out more about the individual roses shown, links can be found in the description. Watch the end for more information. Enjoy!